What, Deris?
Caitlin?
What?
I got something I gotta get off my chest.
Spit it out.
I think TJ's cheating on me.
No.
Yes.
Well, you have to have proof that he betrayed you.
Well, I mean, there's so much. And like, you know, I just don't know how to deal with it. You know, like.
Well, I think you should go home, sleep on it, and just think about it for a little
I'm
bit.
gonna go home, change my shirt. It's kind of, it stinks.
Get something fresh.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
be good.
Thank you. Now a hug.
No.
24 hours later.
These are the pictures you took last week, me and Isaiah.
That is really cute.
This is on the balcony, and this is when I was holding him.
I need you to come with me for a minute.
So I need you to explain something to me. Okay? Who is this?
That is my friend Isaiah.
And in this picture?
So you see what had happened was that was the day we were supposed to take pictures, but you didn't come to school for whatever reason.
So, you just replace me with this kid.
I mean,
Because that's what it looks like.
That's what it, well, see,
That's
it's
what
not-
it is. Like, that's what I'm seeing, and
that's
that's
not
what it
really
looks like.
It's not what it looks like.
You know what?
You better not say
I'm
it.
gonna say it.
You better not.
I'm gonna say
You
it.
better not.
Is it because I'm...
Don't you dare.
It's because I'm too dark. I said it. I said it.
You know what? That's exactly why. You never show up in any of our pictures.
But TJ... The memories...
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No one's gonna make it that much better.
I just want to turn back the clock to before.
I'm sorry, but I can't do this anymore.
TJ. No.